In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bitcoin to MarketWatch in MetaTrader 5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly pull up the Bitcoin symbol inside your platform so you can monitor price movements and prepare for your trades more efficiently. Let's start from inside MetaTrader 5. Make sure your platform is open and that you're logged into your trading account. On the main screen, look for the MarketWatch window. This is usually located on the left side of the platform, showing a list of currency pairs and other instruments with their bid and ask prices. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, click on View, and then choose MarketWatch to make it appear. This is the panel where we're going to add Bitcoin. Once you have the MarketWatch window visible, move your cursor anywhere inside that list. You want to find the option to add a new symbol. Depending on your version, you might see a plus icon at the top of the MarketWatch window, or you can simply right-click inside the window to open a context menu. From there, choose the option that lets you add or show symbols. This opens up the list of all available instruments on your broker's server. Now that the symbols window is open, you'll see various categories like forex pairs, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To quickly find Bitcoin, go to the search field in this window and type in BTC. Be sure to type it correctly, BTC, so the platform can locate the symbol without any issues. After you type BTC, the platform will filter the list and show you any Bitcoin-related instruments offered by your broker, such as BTC USD or similar pairs. When you see the Bitcoin symbol appear in the results, simply click on it to select it. In many cases, you might need to double-click it or click an option like Show or Add, depending on your broker's setup. You'll know it's successfully added when the icon next to the symbol changes or when the symbol is no longer grayed out. Once that's done, close the symbols window. Now head back to the MarketWatch panel. You should see Bitcoin listed there along with your other instruments. If it's not immediately visible, scroll through the list until you find it. From here, you can drag Bitcoin onto a chart to open a price chart, or simply keep it in MarketWatch to monitor the live price. And that's all you need to do to add Bitcoin to MarketWatch in